Hi, Tom here, and I just listened to an amazing podcast this morning from Mark Braun, an interview with Gary Ridge, former CEO, current chairman of WD-40, and it was around culture and coaching, and it really just triggered my own thinking. And what I took from it was that leadership and culture is about clarity and alignment, and doing that by clearly expressing what you're expecting from people in terms of the values and the behaviors they're supposed to exhibit, and then to create alignment around change the people if you have to, and recognition when those values are being complied with or let's say lived. And that's what it is. And he said any dumbass can do it, and I agree. When you put it as clearly as that, that's it.